Curious about the 2025 Genesis G70's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The 2025 Genesis G70's dashboard combines sleek design with advanced technology, offering intuitive controls and clear displays for a modern driving experience. The display offers a vibrant, user-friendly interface with clear visuals, providing essential driving information and alerts at a glance. The cluster features a high-resolution digital display that seamlessly integrates vital vehicle data, offering a modern and intuitive driving experience. The climate control system offers precise temperature adjustments and customizable settings for optimal comfort throughout the cabin. The engine delivers impressive performance, featuring a turbocharged powertrain that generates up to 365 horsepower for a dynamic driving experience. The steering wheel includes a heating feature for added comfort, along with integrated controls for media, cruise, and driving assistance. The vehicle is equipped with a convenient wireless charging pad, allowing you to charge your devices effortlessly while on the go. The vehicle features a smooth shifting gear system, offering both manual and automatic modes for a dynamic driving experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, seatbelt warning light, airbag warning light, parking brake, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution system, motor-driven power steering, charging system, engine oil pressure, engine coolant temperature, malfunction indicator lamp, low fuel level warning light, master warning light, electronic parking brake, low tire pressure, forward safety indicator, lane safety indicator, lane following assist, all-wheel drive, LED headlight warning, icy road warning, electronic stability control off, immobilizer indicator light, turn signal indicator light, high beam indicator, light on indicator, high beam assist indicator, auto hold indicator, driver attention warning, intelligent speed limit assist, smart cruise indicator, speed limiter indicator, eco mode, custom mode, sport mode, sport plus mode, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.